Hi everyone. Today we are talking about jewelry boxes. This time we're being very discreet and keeping the boxes in their pristine condition, but we are going to be using 3 chocolate boxes of the same size to make a nice jewelry box. So let's get this quick DIY started. So like I said, you will need 3 chocolate boxes of the same size. Make sure that they do not slide like this box here. Instead, they come off the top and you pull them out from the bottom. This is important. Also, have some newspaper and a hot glue gun is our adherence of choice, of course with glue sticks. So start by getting out your boxes and making sure they are exactly the same box. Obviously, you know what to do with that. Make sure your chocolate boxes are free of residue and chocolate and any other disgusting things. You don't want your jewelry hanging around that. Now take the bottom of one of the boxes inside the box and carefully hot glue all around the surface area of it and then press it on top of one of the lids of the chocolate boxes like shown. Make sure it's nice and firm, make sure to press it, and it's really nice and stuck in there. Once you're done with part 1, voila! You are finished, and now all you have to do is repeat until you get another box ready and you can start building your tower that way. Now the cool thing about this project is that you don't have to keep all the boxes together at once. You can take them apart and use maybe one at a time and just take the top lid and the bottom box and go with it, or take the bottom too and just leave one of the middle pieces there and you can just play with it. Don't forget you can color the lids or the sides of the boxes first, that way you can customize it and make it different. Of course, I just wanted to keep it as chocolate boxes. Here's the finished DIY. Don't forget to check out other videos of mine on jewelry boxes. And if you like this video, click that like button, leave me a comment if you love chocolate as well, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And I will see you in another video.